Well, we're in the basement. This is the boom, the 14-foot boom. See way down in there? So he's had the air compressor trying to blow some stuff out. Oh, keep pushing, it's moving. Push, push, push. Okay, so there's our contraption. 3 dowels taped together. No, it's bad. You're underneath and you passed it. Okay, you want to try my other idea?
Well, I want to try bowling.
Well, I was gonna say, let's take those dowels, like a metal thing with a hook on it, and we could slide it in this way and start just hooking and pulling stuff out. Now, boy, that's noisy. So here's my other plan. Okay, so here's what we did. We took 3 dowels that are about 4 feet long, and then we have all these metal bar things. We used them to support it, and then we made a hook at the end with one, which I was able to run in and hook a bunch of this. Where is this next?
Look at the reeds.
I know. Well, the boat was on the water.
There's a feather.
Brilliant idea, 995.
Thank you, sweetheart. Nice someone has brains in the family.
I know. Okay, let me take a look up there and see what's left. Oh, there's eggs in there.
What?
Yeah, and there's a wad of nest at the other end we have to push through. But yeah, there's eggs in there.
Oh, jeez.
Are they robin's eggs? They're robin's eggs.
One's broken.
Yeah.
Oh, they're both broken.
Way down at the other end. So run that thing through. Okay, well, with the first pass, I got that. You're above it. You're to the right, completely to your right of it, left of it. Because it'll give you like a pushing end. Oh yeah, keep going. Slow, slow, keep going. Keep going, it's coming, keep going, slow. Oh yeah, baby, push it. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, twist it around a little and push. Nope, okay, pull back. Do we have any PVC, like 1/2-inch PVC? That would be the perfect thing. Thank God I'm married to a hoarder because he found the PVC. Okay, pull it out again, run it through again. Hey, you know what we can fit up there now? Tie the vacuum hose. Whole house vac to the rescue!
Let's turn on or something.
There's a switch right there. Look at the light. Is there any way we could maybe tip it up now because it's not compacted? Let it fall out? Okay. We offer bird nest removal services. Just watch the light. Do you want to carry it outside so we can stand it up all the way? Because our basement ceiling's only like 9 feet tall. The outside is limitless.
I had to do this all by myself.
I know, and you're my hero. Let me get my glove. So I'm not touching that with bare hands. Oh yeah, wow, there's a lot of dirt in there. And pine needles. Oh god.
Still more?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can tap it down.
Hold on. Okay, let's take a look. Looks pretty darn good. Oh yeah, she's clean as a whistle! Another project off the checklist, which wasn't even on the checklist.